In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert signature in Outlook. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop an existing email signature into a new message in a clean, consistent way using Outlook on the web. First, open Outlook the way you normally do and sign in if prompted. If you land on the Microsoft 365 homepage, choose Mail to head into your inbox. That takes you to the main Outlook view where you can see your folders and messages. Next, start a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens the Compose window on the right or in a new pane. Before inserting your signature, click your cursor in the exact spot where you want the signature to appear. Most people place it at the very end of the message body, beneath any text you've already typed, so it flows naturally. Now look at the toolbar in the Compose window and choose Insert. Depending on your screen size, you might see it as a word on the ribbon or as part of a drop-down labeled More Options. Either way, open Insert to reveal additional tools related to content you can add to your email. From there, click Signature. Outlook will display your saved signatures right in that menu. If you've created more than one, you'll see each one listed by the name you gave it, which makes it easy to pick the right version for different scenarios, like general outreach versus internal notes. Go ahead and select your signature. Outlook immediately places it at your cursor's location in the message. If it appears in the wrong place, use Undo and click where you want it, then insert it again. You can lightly edit what's in the message if you need a one-off tweak, but keep your master signature consistent by editing it in your signature settings later, rather than changing it in each email. A quick tip, if the signature option shows no entries, it simply means you don't have one saved yet in Outlook. You can create and manage signatures from your Outlook settings so they're ready the next time you compose. You can also choose to have a default signature automatically added to new messages and replies, which saves time and keeps your emails uniform. Before you send an important message, glance over the formatting to confirm spacing looks tidy and any links you've included are working. Keep the design simple and readable so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. That's it. You've learned how to insert your signature in Outlook quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.